Welcome to another edition of Mini Me Crafts. Today we're going to make these really cute, I don't even know what you'd call them, lanyards. They're kind of macrame, but not really. But really cute swaps, beaded swaps, and they're super easy to make. These are one of those ones where once you make one, you want to make a bunch more in different colors. So we have 3 colors to choose from: the blue and white, the brown and orange, and the green and yellow. But you can let us know if you've have something else that you have in mind. We have lots of different color beads. So these are the finished products, and they come with 3 personalized tags. And then what you'll receive is a set of 10 of whatever color you've chosen, or you can mix and match them if you want. That's fine too. So let's make a brown and orange one. Just be careful when you empty the contents of your bag, just so that your beads don't go everywhere. And then you've got your cording you just want to unravel, and you're going to divide it in half. Okay. And that halfway point, if you can see it on the finished one, is just going to get looped right into the safety pin. We'll keep this one handy so you can see. So that loop in the safety pin, we're gonna put our thread through and go to that halfway mark and just pull it. Okay. And then we're gonna start with our first bead. And that'll help start the ball rolling and even out everything. We'll put both of those, put it right through both of the threads, and then you thread each one. See how it's kind of alternating, okay? So we'll take 2 brown beads and thread them on one, and it doesn't really matter what side you start with, you're going to end up with the same thing. So you'll thread 2 of the beads through this one, and then you're going to take the other string and you're going to thread that side through both. So when you pull it, let's see what's going to happen. It's going to form a second layer or a second tier, like that. All right. So you have 2 of the brown, or 1 at the top and then 2. And then the next row is going to be your alternating color. So you're going to do 3 beads. And again, it does not matter what side you start with. You'll end up with the same thing. So we'll do a brown and an orange and a brown. Okay. Pull those up there. Then take our other side and we're going to loop through those. Brown. Sometimes you can do them all at once. Sometimes it's a little harder. Brown, orange, brown. Okay. And then pull tight. And it's so forgiving because you can reshape it and all that after you've gotten your beads on. Then our next level, we're going to have 2 oranges in the middle. Okay. So we're going to go brown, orange, orange, brown. And then we're going to take our other side and we're going to feed through those 4. Orange, brown. And so you're starting to form like layers or rows of the beads. You see how it's starting to take shape? Like so. I'm going to keep going. Now this is going to be your longest row because you're right in the middle now. So you'll have the brown, orange, brown, orange, brown alternating. Okay, so you have brown, orange, brown, orange, brown. And the nice part about this, if you mess up and do the wrong color or whatever, you can unstring it. It's very forgiving. So And like I said, these are the kinds that become addictive. You make one and then you want to make another one and another one, and different colors, and you know, they're fun to make. Okay, and then this will put us in the midway point, like that. Okay, so you're going to keep going. I won't do the whole thing just to keep the video from being too long, but you'll keep going until you get to the very end, okay? So your last one is going to be 2, okay? Just like the second row right here was 2, your last one will be 2, all right? Once you get that 2 on, you're going to take 1 bead and string it on both, just like you did at the very beginning where you took the 1 bead and strung it on both threads. That's what you're going to do this time. Now mine's not finished, okay? So remember, it's not going to look quite the same as the finished one, but there's that bead right there, okay? So you'll have that, and then just to finish it off, your tails, and you can make your tails as long as you want them to be. You can cut them off shorter or longer. Make your tails, you'll take your brown, orange, brown on each one, okay? And then your knot is just going to be a twist knot like this, okay? That'll keep those beads on. I made mine really long, but you can make it that long if you want, okay? And then you can trim off this excess here, okay? Same thing over here, the brown, orange, brown. And if you want your tails the same length, you want to kind of even it up. There we go. So if you want long tails, then you're going to do your knot here. There we go. So again, this is unfinished, but this is what your finished product looks like. And they're very fun, like I said, very forgiving. And then once you're finished, you can put your tag on. Safety pin's ready to go. Well, these are really fun to make. So happy crafting. I'll see you soon.